Welcome to Geometry Basics. In this video, we will learn exactly how to name lines in geometry using correct notation. Whether you see points on a line or just a lowercase letter, we will cover both methods so you can write them correctly. First, let us recall what a line actually is. In geometry, a line is a straight path that extends infinitely in both directions. It has no thickness and is considered a one-dimensional figure. The arrows at both ends of a drawing indicate that it goes on forever. Since lines go on forever, we cannot measure them. However, we can identify them using points. Any two distinct points located on the line are sufficient to name it. Let's look at points X and Y on this line. The first and most common way to name a line is by using 2 points on that line. You write the capital letters of the points, like A and B, and then place a double-headed arrow symbol on top. This symbol tells us we are talking about the entire infinite line, not just the segment between them. Here is an important rule. The order of the letters does not matter. Because a line extends infinitely in both directions, line AB is exactly the same as line B. You can write it either way. There is a second way to name a line. Sometimes, you will see a single, lowercase script letter written next to the line. Like line M, this is a shorthand way to refer to the line without naming specific points. Let's compare the two methods side by side. On the left, we use points A and B to name it line B. On the right, we use the italic letter N to name it line, and both refer to a line, just using different labeling styles. It is crucial not to confuse lines with other figures. Notice the symbols. A line has arrows on both ends. A segment has no arrows. A ray has just one arrow. Always check the symbol above the letters to know if you are dealing with a line, a segment, or a ray. Now look at this example. How could we name this line? We have points X and Y, and a lowercase letter K. You could correctly call this line XY, line YX, or simply line K. All three answers are correct. To summarize, you can name a line using any 2 points with a double arrow symbol on top, or by using the lowercase script letter given. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your geometry notation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.